of eternity, shine on me. The dark has lost its hold, your glory now unfolds. Every tear the night has sown, you've overthrown. I stand beneath your glow, the only truth I know. Your mercy never fades, it lights my days. Through every rise and fall, your love restores it all. Forever you will be the light in me. Light of eternity, burning bright, breaking through my endless night. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Light of eternity, pure and true, all creation worships you. Shine through my heart so free. Light of eternity. I feel your spirit near, the heavens drawing clear. Every dawn reveals your name, forever the same. Your radiance fills the sky, the reason why I fly. Your peace my guiding song, where I belong. Through every rise and fall, your love restores it all. Forever you will be the light in me. Light of eternity, burning bright, breaking through my endless night. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Light of eternity, pure and true, all creation worships you. Shine through my heart so free. Light of eternity. Your light will never fade. Through every vow I've made, in your arms I'll stay forever day. Light of eternity, burning bright, breaking through my endless night. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Light of eternity, pure and true, all creation worships you. Shine through my heart so free. Light of eternity. Light of eternity, shine on me. Light of eternity. Heavenly beats, deep praise in me. In the silence of the soul, your rhythm makes me whole. Every pulse a savior. your presence all around. When the night begins to glow, your spirit starts to flow. Every breath becomes a hymn. I give it all to Him. You lift my heart so high. Through every tear I cry, your mercy fills the space, a symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats, where my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. When I dance beneath your grace, I feel your warm embrace. Every note a spark of fire, lifting my desire. Through the night your spirit moves. In your rhythm my heart grooves. All creation sings along to heaven's endless song. You lift my heart so high. Through every tear I cry, your mercy fills the space, a symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats, where my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Your love in motion, waves of grace. Your spirit fills this place. I'll praise you high above in never-ending Deep praise, heavenly beats, where my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Heavenly beats, deep praise in me. Glorious flow, let your presence glow. Every shadow fades away when your mercy lights my way. I surrender to your hand where I understand. Every heartbeat sings your name. Through the joy, through the flame, your spirit moves so slow in glorious flow. Your peace like water runs beneath the rising sun. My soul begins to know your endless glow. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Every doubt begins to fade. In your arms I'm unafraid. Grace like rivers finds its way through night and day. Your love moves silently, a sacred melody. I rest where peace can grow in glorious flow. Your peace like water runs beneath the rising sun. My soul begins to know your endless glow. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Let it move within my heart. Your light will never part. I'm caught inside your grace, in your warm melody. Glorious flow, shining bright, you turn the dark to light. Every wave, every breath declares your faithfulness. Glorious flow through my soul, you make the broken whole. Forever I will know your glorious flow. Glorious flow, let your presence glow. Glorious flow. Breath of dawn, carry me on. When the night begins to fade, your mercy's newly made. The shadows lose their hold, your promise unfolds. I lift my eyes see what's been restored. Each breath awakens me, it waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of your light paints the sky in gold. Stories of grace retold. The earth begins to sing to its holy King. Your spirit stirs the air, a love beyond compare. You're all my heart adores, forever yours. Your peace awakens me like waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. Let your mercy fall like rain. Wash away the pain. In the stillness I belong within your song. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of dawn, breath of dawn, carry me on. Breath of dawn. Hearts awake, your light we chase. The morning touches gold, your promise to behold. I feel you in the air, your love is everywhere. Yesterday fades away, mercy means today. You whisper in the glow, I'm with you, don't let go. by your word unshaken. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way. Hearts awake, pure and bright, dancing in your holy light. Be moved by me, with hearts awake. You paint the sky so wide, your truth will never hide. Every color sings your grace. Fill in this place. I hear the world renew. All creation points to you. My soul begins to rise to endless skies. Grace like a river flows through every heart that knows you breathe and I awaken by your word unshaken. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way. Hearts awake, pure and bright, dancing in your holy light. Every move I make, is so real. Heaven's whisper, pure and true, guides my heart back home to you. Even when I fade, your whisper stays. Heaven's whisper, calling me home. Heaven's whisper. Wings of grace, lift me to your place. In the stillness of the air, I feel your presence there. You whisper to my soul, you are whole. Every shadow falls behind. Your love renews my mind. I spread my heart so wide. In your light I fly. You lift me through the haze. Your mercy lights my days. Forever I will stay in your holy way. Wings of grace carry me high through the clouds, across the sky. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Wings of grace, pure and free. You are everything to me. All I am, I raise on wings of grace. When the storm begins to break, you calm the winds for my sake. Your spirit lifts the pain, and peace remains. Through the clouds I see your face, endless light and holy grace. You're my heart's true flight through endless night. You lift me through the haze. Your mercy lights my days. Forever I will stay in your holy way. Wings of grace carry me high through the clouds, across the sky. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Wings of grace, pure and free. You are everything to me. All I am, I raise on wings of grace. Let your wind of love surround. Lift me from the ground. Every fear with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. In the flow I find release. You turn my fear to peace. Your whisper moves the tide with love inside. Every shadow fades away when I begin to pray. Your current pulls me near. I feel you here. You move so silently, yeah, you're all I see. Your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. Your flow will never end. You call me home again. I'm drowning in your love, lifted River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. River of mercy, flow through me. River of mercy. Waves of praise rolling through my soul. In the quiet of the sea, your spirit covers me. Every tide, a holy sound, your mercy all around. The stars reflect your light through every sleepless night. In the deep I feel you near, whispering your peace remains. Every tear you turn to grace, your love fills every space. I'm carried by your flow, wherever you go. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. Your spirit moves like ocean wind, new beginnings never end. Grace unfolding, hearts of